Hi guys, I just made a promotion video for a riser and I've left you at the installation of ArcoLinux Nemesis. Maybe I thought, right, let's make the finishing of the videos like number 3 rising. So by default everything is already a little bit rised, as you see right now, and things are installed. The things that I want are installed, and you just remove it from the list and it won't be installed. Simple as that. That's the ArcoLinux Nemesis that did this. Everything that I need, I have. I even have wallpapers. Like, people always ask me, Eric, can I have this and that wallpaper? Guys, learn about Wallhaven. Learn about variety. He gets me these wallpapers, right? So she's now with me. A riser has these icons, but what do you know, right? You can select any of these themes, select any of these icons, and the Saturday and the Surf icons are here already. This is one I like particularly because, yep, I like yellow and black on each other. This is a nice golden look, and voila, I can do so many things, right? I can move the panel to somewhere else, to the top or something, lock panel, move it to there, fine, put it there then, right? It doesn't really matter. It's not a point. It's not a breaking point. Is that the expression? It's just switch it around. Whatever you like and don't like, it's your operating system. You start adding things and removing things like this one. I don't burn CDs. There's no CD burner in my machine. I never bought them in the last 10 years maybe. I know it's only 15 euros or so, but why would I buy it? I'm not gonna burn it anymore. It's in the past. Don't do that anymore. So internet, all kind of things, QPTorrent, maybe you like Deluge or something else, random transmission, right? It's about choices, and you choose. And with this project, this riser, you start to choose at the beginning, at the very beginning, with ArcoLinux, and then you choose what desktop do I want, what themes do I want, and so on and so on. And there's already an update. What do you know, right? How, wow, that's beautiful. How did I do that? Go and have a look. Who's giving me an update? Arch or something else? It's me, Nemesis. So this is the Edu Eric Dubois system git. So it's basically coming from this guy, Nemesis repo. So I've installed some things, some information here. Okay, voila, cool. var is working. So I have this new command that's gonna get the ArcoLinux Nemesis GitHub variety.conf. That's gonna write it to your own home Eric variety.conf, and that basically sets this. I don't have to type it every time I get here, right? I just type var, and I've got all these things. And if you want to see what I got already in, this is Wallhaven, right? This is what I got in these few seconds. I see already quite beautiful. And sometimes you just scroll, right? There's more to see, but I'm just going over a few of them. Let's go for a cat. That's okay, right? So you click the thing and then you say, okay, good to go. And off we go. Replaced again. So start learning variety. What's all about that, right? Start this thing, all kind of things to learn. All right. Enjoy a riser. Enjoy the idea of staying in control, but still having an Arch system. The one you want, right? Cheers.